In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Alibaba account 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by going to Alibaba.com and signing in with your credentials. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile icon in the top navigation bar. Click that, then choose Account Settings. This is where all the key controls for your profile live. Inside Account Settings, select Account Security. This section houses options related to privacy, login, and data control. Scroll down until you see either Close Account or Deactivate Account. Different regions and account types may show slightly different wording, but they lead to the same outcome. Close account typically begins the process of permanently removing your profile and data. Deactivate account may pause access, but often funnels into the same closure flow. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to make sure you don't have any pending orders, disputes, or active services tied to your account, as those can delay or block deletion. When prompted, pick a reason for closing your account. This feedback helps Alibaba improve the platform and may surface any requirements you need to resolve first. Keep your explanations simple and accurate. Next, you'll complete identity verification, usually with a one-time code sent by email or SMS. Choose the contact method you actively use and keep your device close by because these codes expire quickly. If you don't receive the code right away, check your spam or junk folder and request a new one only if necessary to avoid lockouts. After entering the verification code, click Confirm or Submit to finalize. You should see a message indicating that your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. In many cases, there's a short waiting period during which the account remains inactive but not yet erased, allowing time to cancel the request if you change your mind. If you log back in during that window, the process might be interrupted, so avoid accessing the account unless you intend to keep it. A few practical tips before you wrap up. Download any invoices, purchase records, or important messages you might need for your files, and make sure you've signed out on all devices once you've submitted the request. If you use the account for business, consider notifying any contacts that you'll no longer be reachable there. That's it. Follow these steps, complete the verification, and your Alibaba account will be on its way to permanent deletion. Thanks for watching, and take care.